Hello everyone and welcome to Crossy Road. Right now we're playing chicken. And yeah, just sit back and relax and enjoy the gameplay. While the chicken answers why the chicken crossed the road. You know why? Because it was infinite. The chicken wanted to see what was on the end of infinity itself. But did the chicken know it was an arduous journey filled with obstacles, infinite cars, railways and waterways filled with logs for it to float on. Come on, dude. No, the coin. Okay, I was in a rush right there. Sorry about that. Completely my fault. Come on, we can do it. Okay, come on. I just went there without thinking anything. Oh, come on. Wooden log. Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay, my fault. Okay. Why am I in such a rush all the time, dude? Like, seriously. Leave me alone, rush. I would not give you a toothbrush. Ah, my goodness, come on. No. Okay, that was on me. Ah, come on, chicken. Just get hit right. Oh, there's a clean picture right there. Nice. We can do it. Well, I was caught. Caught in a trap of cards, I say.